How do I fix the flashing orange light on my AirPod case?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue many AirPods users come across, the dreaded flashing orange light on the AirPod case. If you're experiencing this issue, don't worry. We're going to walk you through a few troubleshooting steps to resolve this problem.
What does the flashing orange light mean?
Before we delve into fixing the issue, it's important to understand what the flashing orange light means. The flashing orange light on your AirPods case indicates that your AirPods are not pairing with your device or that they are having trouble connecting. This can be due to various reasons, such as a dead battery, software glitches, or connection errors.
Ensure the AirPods are charged.
Your first step is to ensure your AirPods are charged. Connect your case to a power source using the provided Lightning to USB cable. The light should turn green if your AirPods are fully charged. If it doesn't, or the orange light continues to flash, move on to the next step.
Reset your AirPods.
In this step, we'll attempt to reset your AirPods. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the lid of your case with the AirPods inside. 2. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case. 3. Wait for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. This means your AirPods have been reset. Try pairing them with your device again to see if the issue is resolved.
Clean your AirPods and case.
Sometimes, the issue can be as simple as dirty AirPods or a dirty case preventing a good connection. To clean your AirPods and case, 1. Use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to clean the AirPods and the case. 2. Do not insert anything into the charging ports. This can help ensure a solid connection between your AirPods and the case, and between the case and your device.
Contact Apple support.
If none of the previous steps worked, your last resort is to contact Apple support. They have access to additional troubleshooting tools and can help you get your AirPods back to normal. That wraps up our guide on how to fix the flashing orange light on your AirPod case. We hope this video has been helpful and you're now able to enjoy your AirPods without any interruptions. Remember, it's always good to regularly maintain your AirPods and their case to avoid such issues in the future. Happy listening!